Hi, my name is Zishan Freed and I'm your instructor in English language course, which is Advanced Diploma in English Language. It is initiated with Kasmo Academy. I just want to tell you guys that if you have enrolled in this course, then you have done a very right decision, because English is very important for your future endeavors. You see, without English, the survival is not possible. Today, all mode of communication, education, science, research, and employment are based on English proficiency. So in this course, we will tell you that each and every aspect of English language learning, the most focus is on English speaking. Today, we have provided you the material which is a resource book developed by the Kasmo Academy. We will start and we will talk about the lesson from the Kasmo Academy book. Plus, we will add some other material as well from the different national and international resource material on English language. I will also provide you the vocab, because without vocabulary, it's not possible to develop your prodigies in English language. So every day, I will give you 5 new words, which might be a new one for you. You have to learn it and make it in your sentence. And after the class, we will discuss about the usage of these words in sentence. We would also try to inculcate these words in our language practice or speaking practice. So today I will formally start the first lesson from the Kasmo Skill book. That is a very interesting element in English language. That is homonyms, homophones, and homograph, which is the first page of this resource book. As I've told you that English is a language we discussed already in our first lecture. We have to take it as a language. So in order to excel in this language, we have to create an atmosphere of learning. First of all, we have to understand that like other languages which we have learned from our childhood till now, it's also similar a language. So, for this purpose, Kasmo Academy have provided you this golden opportunity to learn this language on international standard. So I just want to tell you the first lesson. In English, there are the different words which sometimes pronounce the same but the different meanings. Sometimes their writing and spellings are different but their meanings are same. Sometimes their meanings are same but their write-up is different. So I will tell you these interesting words which would be like a game to you. The first expression is homonyms. When 2 and more words which pronounce alike but with the different meanings. For example, produce. Produce is basically the different meaning. The first meaning of produce is we have to produce a furniture from a raw material produce. It means that something which is associated with the raw material in the furniture is also called the produce. On the other hand, produce is also called the agriculture production. It's similarly called as produce. For example, the farm produce of my agricultural land is very, very fertile. We have produce of wheat, sugarcane, and barley. Mango produce is very famous of Pakistan. Rice produce of Somalia is very important. So I will tell you about the This phrase is called homonyms. Then we have the other expression, that is homophones. When two words and more words pronounce alike, but their spelling and meanings are different. For example, two, and two. The pronunciation is same, but in two. For example, I would like to see you. Here the word is like a helping verb. Then we have I miss you too. TOO, which means that also I am also missing you. Then we have TWO2, which is a number. I have 2 cars. So this is the expression that is called homophones. Then we have homographs. When two and more words spell alike but pronounce and meanings are different. For example, bow, and bow. For example, I have an arrow with a bow. And you should bow down before elders for having some sympathy. So this was the expression of our today's first lesson from Kasmo Skill resource book. So I will tell you the 5 words and their difference today. We will go slowly, but we will understand each and every word and a sentence of this lecture. So the first word which you are watching is add, ADD, and then we have add. Ad mean advertisement, to publish something, to make something very famous. It's called ad. Then we have ADD, which means addition, substitution. In addition to, in add to English language, I'm also good in French language. Then we have second word, that is allowed, ALLOWED, which means to permit someone, to give permission to someone. I allowed my banker to use my cash. Then we have ALOUD, allowed, which means that noisy. Talking aloud in the library is not permissible. You speak very aloud. Then we have ant. Ant mean an insect, which is a type of insect which used to crawl on the land, on the earth. There are many ants in a tree. Then we have AUNT, aunt, which means a relative. You can say the mother, the sister of your father, or sister of your mother, called as aunt. My aunt is a very nice lady. Then we have ATE, at, which is the second form of verb, eat, which means that eating something. We ate mango at that day. Then we have 8. 8 is a number. I have 8 buffaloes. Then we have ball and a ball. BALL, ball means a ball which is used for playing. I have a cricket ball. Then we have a ball, BAWL. Ball mean that an instrument or an utensil which is used by the beggars to beg money from the people. So these are some of the resource book of the material from the resource book of Kasmo Skill Academy. Now I'm giving you 5 new words of my resource book, which is the Baron series. The first word is abash, which means to feel shy. I am abashed by the cheating of my brother. Then we have a word abhor. Abhor, abhor. Abhor means to hate. I abhor smokers. Then we have a word abrogate. Abrogate. Abrogate means to abolish, to finish, to stop. I abrogated my habit of cheating others. Then we have a word absolve, to forgive. We have to absolve the mistakes of others. Then we have a word absolute. Absolute. Absolute means perfect, complete. This is an absolute perfect book for learning. You are so absolute in teaching English course. So this was the lesson for today. I would appreciate that if you have any kind of question, please send us to the resource admin and also to me. I will try my level best to give the answer of your question. Thank you very much.